This is my iMars 10.1 installed onto my Volkswagen Tiguan, and now I turn on my key and start the engine. The iMars comes to life, and you can see I'm playing my USB thumb drive, but there's no volume. Turn the volume up. No volume. As you can see, the song is being played. If I go back and go onto my radio, there is no audio also. There's no sound at all. When I put my gear shift into reverse, the reverse video do not come on. It will just blink like that. And back to forward, and I stop my engine and turn my key again without starting the engine. The reverse video comes on. The problem is, with the engine running, the reverse video will not come out, and there is no audio whatsoever. Thank you very much.